Good afternoon, class first. Students, today we will start with exercise 2.3. In 2.2 or 2.1, we did place value. This is first place value. Like first position is ones, we count first position as ones and second position as tens place. Okay. Expanded form of a number 47. How can we write it in expanded form? There are 4 beats 1, 2, 3, 4 and the place of these beats are on tens. There are 10 beats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beats are there and that are on ones place. Okay. Students, 47. Tens place, how many beats are there? 4. We can write 4 tens. Plus, ones place there are 7 beats. We can write 7 ones. Here also we can write 4 tens as 40. We did here also, like 4 ones place. If 4 is on ones place, we write 4 ones or 4, and like 5 is on tens place, we write as 5 tens or 50. Same is here, 4 tens, we can write 40, 7 ones means 7. 47 equals to 4 tens plus 7 ones is expanded form in words. These are in words, tens, T-E-N-S, words. And here 40 plus 7 is the expanded form in the figures. Okay, these are digits, figures. These are in words, tens, T-E-N-S, O-N-E-S, ones, tens and ones. These are in expanded form in words and this is expanded form in figures. Let us start with question number 1. Fill in the placeholders. There are some questions like 28. This is tens place, this is ones place. Okay. Students, we write first place as ones and second place as tens. 28. First sum is 28. Like this, it is first place, it is second place. We write first place from left side, we write first place as ones and second place as tens. Okay. Here is 28. 28 students, 2, this one is on second place. So, 2 is, we write 2 here, 2 tens plus 8 ones, 8 is on first position or ones place. Okay. Next is 36, 3 tens plus 6 ones, 40. 4 is on second place, 4 is on tens place, 0 is on ones place. 86, 8 tens, 6 ones, 93. 9 tens, 3 ones, 82, 8 tens, 2 ones, 74, 4 is on ones place and 7 is on second tens place. Okay. Therefore, we write 7 tens, 4 ones. 88, 8 tens, 8 ones. Next is 90. 9 tens, 0 ones. 64, 6 tens, 4 ones. 76, 7 tens, 6 ones. 87, 8 tens, 7 ones. Okay. Students, keep in mind that we write from right side and when we start from right side, this is your first place, that is ones place, and this is your second place, that is tens place. Okay, again 28, like 28, 2 is on tens place and 8 is on ones place. 36, 3 is on tens place, 6 is on ones place. 40, 4 is on tens place, 0 is on ones place. 86, 8 is on tens place, 6 is on ones place. Okay. Next question is fill in the blanks. Here is in expanded form in figures. In words, they write expanded form in words. Okay. We write numbers here. 110, 6 ones. This is 110, 6 ones. 10 plus 6 is 16. Then 210, 9 ones. 210 means 20 plus 9 ones. Students, 20 plus 9, 29. Okay. 3 tens, 0 ones. 3 tens means 30 plus 0. This is 30. 4 tens, 6 ones. We can write 46. 5 tens, 5 ones. 55. 3 tens, 9 ones. 3 and 9, 39. 8 tens, 7 ones. 8 and 7, 87. 6 tens, 6 ones. 6, 6, 66. 4 tens, 3 ones. 4 and 3 is 43. 8 tens, 2 ones. What we write? 8, 2, 82. 7 tens, 0 ones. 7 and 0 is 70. 9 tens, 9 ones. 9, 9, 99. 8 tens, 4 ones. 8, 4, 84. 3 tens, 2 ones. 3, 2, 32. 1 10, 5 ones. 1 and 5 is 15. 1, 5, 15. 3 tens, 6 ones, and this is 3, 6, 36. These are the sums. Here they write expanded form in words, and in the blanks we write numbers. In question number 3, these are also in expanded form, but in digits, in numbers. Okay, like this, 40 plus 7. Okay, students, these are in also expanded form, but in words, and these are in also expanded form, but here figures are used. Let us start. 10 plus 9, 19. This is tens place, this is ones place. 1 and 9, 19. 2 and 7, 27. 3 and 6, 36. 4, 8, 40. Okay. 5, 50 plus 7, 57. 60 plus 3, 63. Students, this is your first place, ones place, and this is your tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. We will not zero here, only the numbers that are at this position we write that. 5 and 7, 57. 6 and 3, 63. 8 and 4, 84. 9, 8, 98. 9, 9, 99. 8, 8, 88. 7, 7, 77. 6, 6, 66. 55. 5, 5, 55. 4, 4, 44. 3, 3, 33. 2, 2, 22. Students, these are the sums that are in expanded form. Here we use tens and ones place and solve these. If you have any type of doubt, then you can message in the group. Okay dear, bye.